Hello and welcome to our channel where we bring you the latest news and update from the world of finance. In today's videos, we will be discussing fundamental analysis from A to Z. Now let's move on our topic. Fundamental analysis is a method of evaluating securities by analyzing financially and economic data such as earning report, balance sheets and economic indicators. Okay, it is a popular tool used by investors to make informed decisions about buying and selling security. As you know that technical analysis is also used for investor informed decision making about the buying and selling of securities, and that is also in fundamental analysis. Now, the first step in fundamental analysis is to evaluate the financial health of a company. This can be done by analyzing financial statements such as income statement, balance sheet, cash flow statement. These statements provide valuable information about a company, revenue, expenses, assets, and liabilities. Those those who doesn't know the basic of stock market, firstly see the video in description, and also basic term like NSE National Stock Exchange and BSE Bombay Stock Exchange, and also technical analysis for beginners will see, then move on this video. It's important. And also I am providing you a playlist on basic of stock market series using animation for better understanding purpose only. Now, once the financial health of a company has been evaluated, fundamental analysts use a variety of metrics to determine the value of a security. These metrics can include price to earning ratio, that is also called as P by E ratio, price to book ratio, that is P by B ratio, and dividend yield, among others. Fundamental analysts also analyze economic indicators to gain insights into the broader market. These indicators can include gross domestic product, that is GDP, inflation, and interest rate, among others. Right? It is important to note that fundamental analysis is not a perfect science and should be used in conjunction with other forms of analysis such as technical analysis. It is also important to have a solid understanding of the market and the securities being traded. Right now, in a small clip, I will show you the what is basic and what we just seen in stock market for fundamental analysis of any company. Now, in that small clip, short means that is small or short clip, I will provide you in a later. That will you show exactly where the P by E ratio and P by B ratio and which parameters we will discuss in their company. Now moves on that video clip. In conclusion, fundamental analysis is a valuable tool for investors looking to make informed decisions about buying and selling securities. By analyzing financial and economic data, fundamental analysts can gain valuable insight into the value of security, right, and the broad market. As you know that the share market has many, that is around, in case of BSE Bombay Stock Exchange, there are 5,000 listed companies are in there. That's why it is a broad market. Okay, now thank you for watching this video, and we hope you found this video informative, and thank you for watching this video.